Buick just rolled out the 2026 N Vista with a series of changes that prove the automaker is playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers. If you're tired of new model years that jack up the price without adding any real value, these updates are going to restore your faith in how refinements should be done. Most automakers are slapping on meaningless badges and calling it an update, but Buick is making strategic improvements to the areas that actually matter. The interior quality, the styling options, and the powertrain efficiency that saves you real money at the pump. Let's check it out. Number 5. Premium Interior Upgrades. One aspect where the N Vista has been quietly dominating its segment is the cabin, and the 2026 model year is taking that strength even further. The interior quality in this subcompact crossover has consistently surprised buyers who expect economy car materials at this price point. Think about all those times you've climbed into a friend's economy crossover and cringed at the hard plastics and cheap materials. That awkward moment when you close the door and it sounds hollow, or when you rest your arm on the center console and it feels like hard cardboard. The N Vista is solving that problem completely. The 2026 model is introducing refined materials throughout the cabin, with improved soft-touch dashboard surfaces and upgraded door panel trim pieces that feel substantially more expensive than competing models. The seats across all trim levels are receiving enhanced upholstery options with new color schemes that add visual interest. Panel gaps remain tight, materials fit together without creaks or rattles, and the overall sense of solidity matches vehicles costing thousands more. The 11-inch diagonal touchscreen and 8-inch digital instrument cluster continue sitting under a single glass panel, creating that modern, cohesive look that's becoming Buick's signature. Rear passengers are benefiting significantly from the design, with 38.7 inches of legroom that's leading the class and 37.3 inches of headroom. You know that complaint everyone has about crossovers, how the person in back always feels cramped on trips longer than 30 minutes. The N Vista is eliminating that issue. The cabin's quiet tuning technology with active noise cancellation is ensuring that road noise stays outside, creating an environment that feels more premium than the price tag suggests. All that interior refinement is impressive, but it means nothing if the exterior doesn't match that upscale feel, which is exactly why the new appearance package is changing everything. Number 4. Studio Series Package. The N Vista has always been a good-looking crossover, but Buick is raising the visual appeal to an entirely new level with the introduction of the Studio Series package. This appearance-focused option is debuting exclusively on the Sport Touring trim, creating a combination that simply wasn't available before. The package is centering around white sands ceramic exterior paint, a sophisticated color that gives the N Vista a clean, modern presence. But the real magic is happening with the contrast elements. Ebony seats with exclusive whisper beige stitching are creating a two-tone interior that looks far more expensive than you'd expect in this segment, adding that custom appearance that typically requires aftermarket modifications. 19-inch gloss black aluminum wheels are filling the wheel wells perfectly and giving the N Vista a more aggressive stance. A power moonroof is coming standard with the Studio Series package, along with advanced technology features and comfort package elements. Anyone who's ever grocery shopped with their hands full understands the value of the power liftgate, making loading and unloading cargo significantly easier. All-weather floor mats and a sport pedal kit complete the package. Brilliant Red is joining the lineup, replacing the outgoing Cinnabar Metallic. This vibrant red is offering a sportier appearance than its predecessor's darker maroon tone. Available on preferred and sport touring trims for a $495 upcharge, Brilliant Red is giving buyers who want to stand out a fresh option. Of course, looking good is one thing, but staying safe and connected is where this crossover is really delivering on the technology front. Number 3. Technology and Safety. Technology in the 2026 N Vista is maintaining the impressive foundation that made previous model years so competitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are coming standard across the entire lineup, along with Wi-Fi hotspot capability, OnStar services, and Teen Driver technology. We've all been on that family road trip where everyone's fighting over charging cables. 4 USB ports strategically placed throughout the cabin ensure both rows can keep devices charged without arguments. Safety is receiving particularly strong attention, with the Buick Driver Confidence Package arriving standard across all trims. Picture that moment when traffic suddenly slams on the brakes ahead of you. Automatic emergency braking is standing by to help prevent or reduce collision severity when your reaction time might not be fast enough. Front pedestrian braking actively monitors for people in your path at speeds between 5 and 50 miles per hour. Forward collision alert, following distance indicator, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, and IntelliBeam automatic high beams are all working together to keep you safe. Rear park assist is coming standard, making parking maneuvers significantly easier with audible warnings. A rear view camera provides visual confirmation of what's behind you, while electronic stability control and traction control maintain your intended path in challenging conditions. All these safety and tech features are excellent, but they'd be pointless if the powertrain couldn't deliver the right balance between performance and efficiency, which brings us to the most misunderstood aspect of this crossover. Number 2. Refined powertrain. Here's where the real genius becomes apparent. The 2026 N Vista is continuing with the turbocharged 1.2-liter Ecotec inline-3 engine. And before anyone dismisses that as underwhelming, let's talk about why this is actually a brilliant choice. This engine is producing 137 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 162 pound-feet of torque at 2,500 RPM. Figures that might not win drag races but are telling a much more interesting story. Think about your typical week: morning commute, grocery runs, maybe a weekend trip to visit family. None of those situations require crushing acceleration or racetrack performance. What they do require is reliable, adequate power that doesn't drain your wallet at every fill-up. While this crossover won't be setting any speed records, the power delivery is proving more than adequate for merging onto highways, passing slower traffic, and navigating city streets. The turbocharger provides responsive feel when you need acceleration, while the 6-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly and intelligently. But here's where the compromise becomes genius. Fuel economy is reaching 28 miles per gallon in the city, 32 on the highway, and 30 combined. Let's put that in practical terms. If you're driving 15,000 miles per year with gas at $3.50 per gallon, the N Vista is saving you roughly $600 annually compared to a crossover averaging 24 miles per gallon. With a 13.2-gallon fuel tank, you're looking at over 400 miles of range between fill-ups. That's your entire work week without stopping at a gas station. E85 Flex fuel capability gives you options at the pump, allowing operation on either E85 ethanol or regular unleaded gasoline without any changes to power output. Front-wheel drive remains the only configuration, reducing weight, complexity, and cost while maintaining excellent traction in normal driving conditions. At approximately 3,137 pounds, the N Vista stays light enough that the 1.2-liter engine never feels overwhelmed. This fine balance between adequate power and impressive efficiency is exactly what the target buyer is looking for. Practical performance without the penalty at the pump. Now, all these improvements sound great, but there's one update that's sparking debate among buyers, and it's worth understanding the full context. Number 1. Minimal price increases. Pricing is increasing across all 3 trims for the 2026 model year, and while nobody is celebrating higher prices, the adjustments are remaining remarkably modest given the current automotive market. The preferred base model is moving from $23,995 to $25,995, including destination charges, representing a $2,000 increase. The Sport Touring is climbing from $25,795 to $27,495, while the top Avenir trim is advancing from $29,695 to $30,795. Here's what's important to understand. These increases are affecting the entire automotive industry right now. Manufacturing costs are rising, materials are costing more, and regulatory requirements are demanding additional investments. Walk into any dealership today and you'll notice that every manufacturer is raising prices at similar or higher rates. Against that backdrop, keeping price increases between $800 and $1,100 is actually showing restraint. What you're getting for those additional dollars is the same quality and capability that made the N Vista attractive in the first place. You're still receiving that upper-class interior, the comprehensive Buick driver confidence package, the modern wireless connectivity, and the efficient yet capable turbocharged powertrain. Even at the higher prices, the N Vista is staying competitive against rivals like the Honda HR-V, Hyundai Kona, Mazda CX-30, and Volkswagen Taos, with the 3-year/36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 5-year/60,000-mile powertrain coverage continuing to provide peace of mind. The 2026 Buick N Vista is proving that meaningful updates don't require complete redesigns. The refined interior materials are elevating the ownership experience. The Studio Series package creates a distinctive look, the comprehensive tech and safety features continue protecting you and your family, and that perfectly balanced turbocharged powertrain saves you hundreds of dollars annually at the pump. Yes, prices are going up by roughly $800 to $1,100 depending on trim, but you're getting the same quality and capability capability with improvements in the areas that matter most. Buick is showing restraint with pricing, while competitors are raising their stickers by similar or larger amounts, making the N Vista's value proposition stronger than ever in a segment where every dollar counts. With these updates, there's no doubt that the N Vista becomes even more competitive, but it's not the only one. If you're leaning toward its more mainstream sibling, the Chevy Trax, you definitely want to check out our next video. That one is also getting updates, ensuring it remains one of the best values in this crowded segment.